Hello guys, welcome to the Aurex YouTube channel and the Aurex live stream on the Telegram channel. Alright, so let me switch on my camera. Alright, sorry for the delay because I faced some technical issue. And yeah, and welcome back. Okay, welcome back. Welcome all the new members and the old members. Welcome guys. So before I start, before I start the live stream, let me do a quick sound check, okay? So is it okay? So let me check first. Is it the live stream? Is it okay? Is it all smooth? If you can hear my sound very clearly, then you can type yes in the chat box or in the group chat, okay? So let me do a quick checking first before we start the live stream, okay? Welcome guys. Welcome guys. Sorry for the delay, okay? All right. Only voice, no image. Are you sure? No image. No image. Are you guys can see my face? Because what I see, right? Okay, what I see is okay. I can see my face. Okay, on the YouTube live stream, and then I also can see also can see the image and or the video on the Telegram live stream. Okay, I have already checked using my another device. All the live stream is okay. Live stream is okay. Yeah, sure, guys. You can see, right? Yeah, sure. Oh, okay, okay. I can see it. I can see it on. I can see it. I can see my face. Okay. So I think there's a technical problem from your device. I think. If you cannot see the image, right? I think you can disconnect the Wi-Fi or restart your device, and then you try to join in again. Okay. Yeah, because from my side, I can see all this thing is running smooth. Okay. Oh, come out already. Oh, okay, okay. I think it got a delay. Okay, but yeah, if you cannot see my face, right, you can quit and then join it again. Okay, or restart your device. Okay. All right. So seems like all's good. Okay, then we should start today's live stream. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let me. Okay. As a routine, let me do a quick introduction about myself. Okay, so my name is Alan, and I've been trading it for around 7 years. Okay, so I used to trade Forex, cryptocurrency, stocks, and commodities. Okay, so yeah, so let's start the live stream today. So let's see how is it going. Okay, so we should look at the goal first. Okay, because usually I usually start with gold first, okay? Because I love gold, especially metals, okay? I usually look at the gold and the silver first, okay? All right, so let's look at the gold first. Okay, all right. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, so we can see that. So here is the ranging, okay? Here is the ranging, the price ranging here, and the price form a sideways. So means that if you look at the 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, right? So you don't see a significant direction, okay? Because what? Because sideways means, right, the price go up and down, go up and down, go up and down, okay? So there is no significant uptrend structure or significant downtrend structure, okay? So that means there is no a clean direction here. There is no a clean direction here, okay? So the price have the opportunity to goes up, okay? And also at the same time the price has the same probability to goes down, okay? So means that the this situation is like 50-50, okay? So it is not a good it is not a good situation for me, because I don't like sideways, okay? I don't like sideways because what, if you trade in a 50-50 situation, right, I think you are probably gambling, okay? I think it is a gambling, okay? It's a gamble, okay? So I don't gamble, okay? Actually, I don't gamble, okay? I don't gamble while I doing trading. So yeah, so I don't like this kind of thing. So I think I should wait, okay? I should wait for the price to break out, or break out above or break out below, okay? But I need to mention that this situation, right? We see this situation on what time frame, okay? We see this situation on 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, and same here. 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart is the midterm or the long-term time frame, okay? So means that if you want to catch a big swing or big trend, right? So you really need to wait for the price to break out, especially the 1-hour chart and the 4-hour chart. You have to wait for the price to break out, okay? So this is for the trader who trade long term or the mid term, okay? But if you are a short-term trader, that's a different story, okay? What we can do is we can look at a smaller time frame, like 15-minute chart or the 5-minute chart or even the 1-minute chart, okay? Yeah, this is the time frame, especially special for uh the short term trader, okay? So for me, I usually use the 15-minute and the 5-minute and the 1-minute chart to identify the trend at the moment. Yeah, because during doing when I doing the right when I'm doing the live stream, right, I I would like to do the short-term trade, okay? Because it is boring when I'm doing live stream. It's boring when I'm doing live stream because what, you have to wait, you have to wait. If you trade mid-term and long-term while you are doing live stream, you are very boring because you really have to wait for the price, you really have to wait for the price to break out or break the support, okay? So it need times, okay? It need times, okay? So so I want to I want to have I want to do something, okay, when I'm doing live stream, because otherwise it is very boring, okay? So I choose to have a short-term trade while when I'm doing live stream, okay? So what I can do is I have to identify the trend at the moment using the 15-minute chart or the 5-minute chart or even the 1-minute chart, okay? So yeah, so let's look at the 15-minute chart, okay? I love go to, yeah, everybody like everybody like or love gold, okay? Who don't like gold? Who don't like gold? I love the asset which can let me to make money. Okay, gold and silver is the best. I think it's a one of the best asset to earn money lah, okay, from trading, okay? Why Alan head so big today? Is it big? Is it big? I think it's a setting problem lah, okay? A setting problem, okay? All right, let's come back to the live trade, okay? a bit weird. What the fuck, man? Guy, if you talk like this, I want to end up the live stream already. Yeah, just kidding, okay? All right, let's come back to the chart, okay? So let's look at the 15-minute chart, okay? So okay, although the 1 hour chart, okay, if you look at the 1 hour chart, right? So you can see, so here is the ranging, here's the ranging, the price ranging, price form the sideway. So this is the 1 hour, is the 1 hour price range, okay? And if you break down to the 15-minute chart, okay, so you can see that, okay, actually the price start to retest the 15-minute resistance, okay, the 1 hour resistance, okay. This the the box I'm drawing is the 1 hour resistance, okay. So oh yeah, I can label it down. So this is the 1 hour resistance. All right, so this is the 1 hour resistance, and then this is the 1 hour support. All right, so you can see, right? So the price is testing the 1 hour resistance, and I think the price movement at the moment, right? There are two possibility. Okay, so what is the first possibility? So first possibility is the price just directly break out this resistance. Okay, so if the price really break out this resistance, right? So means that the buying power is very strong. Okay, the buying power is very strong. So this is the first, and then for the second, right? If the price can break out this resistance, so it means that the price forms a higher high. Okay, the price form a higher high, so it means that it forms a first pattern or the first features of uptrend structure. Okay, so this is the second. So yeah, so this is the first possibility, which the price just just retest the resistance, and then the price won't retrace, and then the price just directly goes up and break the resistance. Okay, this is the first condition. Okay, and the second condition, right, or the second possibility is that the price in 15 minutes or even in 5 minutes, the price form a downtrend structure. Okay, maybe. So maybe the price will form a downtrend structure in a smaller time frame, and then it might cause the price to goes down, okay, or maybe retrace. Okay, so this is the second situation. Okay, but in the if you but if you look at the long term, right, it just a retracement. Okay, why I mentioned that it is a retracement. Okay, because what? Because it forms a it's still in the the price still in the sideway. Okay, the price still in the sideway, so means that the price still have the opportunity to goes up and go down also. Okay, all right. And if you look at the price in 15-minute chart, okay, if you see clearly, so here is the uptrend structure. There's the uptrend structure here. All right, see, so there's an uptrend structure here. So means that as long as the price didn't break out this support level, so that means the price will still have the opportunity to go up. Okay, so that's why I think that there's a two possible outcomes at the moment. Okay, first is that the price just break out this resistance, and then the second, the price would form a downtrend structure at in the lower time frame, and then it caused a retracement. Okay, later on. Okay, so there's a two possible outcome. What I see, all right, there's a two possible outcome I see at the moment. Okay, so yeah, okay, and all right, so let's look at a 5-minute chart. Okay, 5-minute chart. Okay, so there's a uptrend structure here. Today gold total have around 600 pips, right? If you look at the opening price, right, the total volatility is around, okay, all right, let me see, let me check, okay. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Actually it's more than 600 pips, guys. It's more than 600 pips. The volatility of the gold, right, is more than 600 pips today. And all right, so let's look at the 5-minute chart. Okay, so the price forms a retracement now. Okay, but based on the price action, right, so we can see that there's an uptrend structure here in 5-minute. Okay, in 5-minute chart. Okay, so means that the significant significant low. So here is a significant low. All right, so means that as long as the price didn't break out this significant low, means that the price at the moment still have the opportunity to go up. Okay, even though the price is possible, it is possible to form a retracement first, but my last defend range, okay, the defend range is here. Okay, the significant low or the very important support is here. Okay, this area. Okay, as long as the price didn't break out this support, right, then I think that the price still have the opportunity to go up. Then what we can do is either we wait for the retracement and then we try to buy here, or we can wait for the price to break out this significant high here and then we buy here. Okay, there's a two possible outcome at the moment. All right, there's a two possible outcome at the moment. Okay, and somebody would like, and I think somebody would will ask me that, hey, since we are waiting for the retracement, right, then can we enter a sell order here? Yeah, sure, you can enter a sell order here, but same, you need to wait for a confirmation. Okay, you need to wait for a confirmation. So if you want to enter a sell order, you want to place a sell order, so what confirmation, what signal you have to wait? Okay, for me, right, okay, for me, I would like to wait for the price to break out this level. Okay, the 55180. Okay, I would like to wait for the price to break out this uh support level. Okay, because what, if you look at a 1-minute chart, okay, if you look at a 1-minute chart, you will see, okay, you will see, so the price is forming a support level, the horizontal support level. Okay, and this is the first thing. And then the second thing is, you can see there's a lower high in the 1-minute chart. Okay, lower high in 1-minute chart, so means that the price have an opportunity to go up, or means that the price, the selling power is become stronger, the seller is taking action at the moment. And but why I still mention that we should wait for a confirmation, because what, because it is still ranging. Okay, the price is still ranging, although even though the price have a lower high here. Okay, but the price is still ranging. Okay, but the price is still ranging because what, because if you look at the support area here, okay, it can form the horizontal support. Okay, So the horizontal support, or maybe the same high and the same low, okay, you can see, right, the high and the low are basically on the same level, okay. This is the pattern or the features of the ranging or the sideways, okay. So yeah, so you can see, so the price have a have a same level support, so means it is a ranging pattern, okay. This is a ranging pattern. All right, so we still have to wait for the confirmation, okay. So what confirmation we should wait, okay? We should wait for the price to create a lower low, okay. So when the price create, or the candlestick create a lower low, so it officially forms a downtrend structure, okay. So that's simple. So I'm still waiting for the price to break out this support level, okay. Yeah, it's very simple. What I'm waiting is for, this is what I'm waiting for the goal, okay. And if you look at the chart, okay, if you look at the chart, the price is almost retest this support again. All right, so this is the third time, this is the, sorry, it is the second time that the price is retest the support here. So be patient, guys, so be patient, okay. So let's look at the, all right, seems like the price is still testing, okay. Still, the price is still in the, still in the ranging, okay. So what I can do is I will set an alarm. I will set an alarm here. So when the price is officially, break this support, right, then the trading view will notify me, okay. It will notify me. Then after that, then only then I will come, then I come back and then look at the goal, okay. All right, so let's look at the silver. Okay, so if you look at the silver, all right, so yesterday the silver price successfully break out, okay, break out the the resistance level here. So this is a nice breakout, okay. So the price form a uptrend structure here, and the price the price not only break out this, not only break out this support resistance level, and then you can see, right? So the price just directly break out this, the second resistance level. Okay, so it means that the buying power is very, very strong. Okay, the big player is pumping the market. Okay, pumping the capital into the market. So okay, after that, if you look at the 15 minute chart, okay, so you will see, okay, you will see that the price, after the price breakout, and then the price retest, and then the price pump again. Okay, so it's a very, very significant uptrend structure. Okay, and if you look at the 5 minute chart, okay, so there is a uptrend structure here. Okay, there's an uptrend structure here in 15 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour. Okay, it is a I think it is easy. Okay, I think it's easy for silver. Okay, and even if you look at the 1 minute chart, okay, there is an uptrend structure also. Okay, so there's an uptrend structure also. So yeah, it's very obvious. I want to, for me, I would like to buy silver. Okay, I'm trying to find a best entry to trade gold. Sorry, to trade silver. Okay, so what for me, I would like to buy silver here. Okay, so I'm waiting for a retracement. Okay, I'm waiting for a retracement, and then I think I would like to enter a buy order here, okay, for silver. Right. So while we are waiting, so I would like to place a alarm here, and then we should look at the currency pair. Okay, we should look at the currency pair. Okay, so let's look at the USD JPY. Okay, I love the JPY pairing. Okay, I love the JPY pairing. Okay, especially the USD JPY and the GBP JPY. Okay, I love these two. I love these two pairing because what? Because the volatility uh is is higher. Big if you compare with other with other currency pair. Okay, so yeah, let's look at the USD JPY. And the second reason why I like, you especially why I like USD JPY is that because USD JPY is a USD related pairing. Okay, so if you look at the USD JPY, right, you also will know that how is the US dollar is more, you also know that how is the US dollar is moving, how is the US dollar moving, the value of US dollar moving. Okay, all right, so for example, right, so last time I also mentioned that, okay, USD is about to to break out. Okay, because what? Because the price forms a higher low here, and then the price is keep testing this resistance level. Okay, so after that the price successfully break out. Okay, so it will also cause the USD JPY to surge. Okay, so now you see, right, so now you see the price is going up. Okay, for USD JPY. Okay, so by observing the USD JPY, you also know the trend of the USD, the trend of USD or dollar index. Okay, yeah, all right, so let's look at the USD JPY. Okay, so if you look at the 4 hour chart and 1 hour chart, right, okay, you will see, so there's an uptrend structure, and then this uptrend structure, right, all right, this uptrend structure also has already broke, has already break out this resistance level. Okay, the previous high or the resistance level. Okay, so means it is for me it is a strong uptrend here. Okay, and if you look at a 1 hour chart, okay, it is also a uptrend structure. Okay, so let's look at a 15 minute chart. Okay, all right, there's a different story here. Okay, so if you look at a 1 hour chart, right, so there's an uptrend structure. So here is the significant low for USD JPY in 1 hour chart, okay? And if you look at the 15-minute chart, okay, you will see that so the price is forming a downtrend structure in 15 minutes, okay? So means that it is a downtrend in 15 minutes but uptrend in 1 hour. So for me, right, it is a retracement, okay? It is a retracement, okay? Because what? The 1 hour the price in 1 hour is still uptrend, okay? The price in 1 hour is still uptrend, okay? So as long as the price didn't break out this support level or the significant low, so it means that the price is still in the uptrend, okay? Price means it's still in the uptrend, okay? So means it still have the probability to go up, okay? In midterm or long term, okay? And all right, so let's look at the 15-minute chart, okay? So if I want to trade USD JPY, right, what I can do is I would like to wait for the price to break out this resistance level, okay? I would like to wait for the price to break out this resistance level in 15-minute chart, okay? All right, so I'm waiting for this, okay? And I would like and I will also I will also want to wait for the price to form a uptrend structure in a lower time frame like 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart, okay? And even though in 1-minute chart, okay? But to be safe, I want to have a confirmation on in 5-minute chart, okay? I will be more confident. I will be more confident that if the price can break out this, the 15-minute resistance, okay? All right. So the price. All right. So guys, the price has already, retest this support level. And what I want to do is, all right, okay. If you look at the gold price, right? So don't the price didn't even retest this support level, and then the price start to rebound again. But it's very tricky. Is that the tricky part is that the price didn't break out this, the 1-minute resistance. Okay, the price didn't break out to this 1-minute resistance. Okay, so yeah, for me, right? Hmm. So means that the price form a ranging in 1 minute, and also in so I think that the silver price will also have a have a deep retracement. I think the silver price will have a deep retracement. Okay. Mm. All right. See, the price is testing this support level. So yeah, what I can do is just wait. Okay, for now. Okay, what I can do is just wait at the moment. Hmm. All right, so the price seems like the price won't drop anymore. All right, so there's a deeper retracement here. Okay, so what I want to see is that, right? I want to see a confirmation. I want to see the confirmation on a 5-minute chart. Okay. All right. The price is still dropping again. So okay, I won't participate. I won't participate in the market first. Okay, because there's something wrong. Okay, there's no the signal I want in, in the chart now. Okay. All right. If you look at the USD JPY, there's also okay. There's the same for USD JPY here. Okay, because just now I say that I want to wait for the price to break out this resistance level. All right, so I should wait for the price to form this kind of signal that I want. Okay. All right. So all right, let's talk about GBP JPY. Okay, there's an uptrend also. Okay, there's an uptrend also for GBP JPY. And seems like the JPY is depreciating, guys. Then if you go Japan, I think the costing is very cheap if you go Japan now, because the JPY is depreciating. Did anyone went to Japan before? The Japan is one of the my travel bucket list. Okay, Japan is one of my the travel bucket list. Must go. it Japan is the country that I think that is a must go selection. Okay. All right, if you look at the GBP JPY, so there is an uptrend in midterm and long term. Okay, so the price break out this significant high here. And if you look at the 15-minute chart, okay, I think there will be a retracement. Okay, so if the price break out this support, if the price break out this support level, then I think it will form a retreat. If it will form a short retracement. Okay, it will form a short retracement. Okay, but the condition is the price break out this support. Let's see if today we catch a good trade. Yeah, but we have to wait for the good trade. We have to wait for the instead you do a instead you enter a good trade. For me, right, I'm waiting for a good setup, then only I enter. You know, if there is a good setup, then I will consider it as a good trade, because the possibility you made a good trade is increasing if you enter with a good setup. Yeah, so we are not we are we are not we are not making a good trade, but we are waiting for a good setup. Okay, we are waiting for a good setup. All right, so I think I will wait for another 2 minutes for silver, because what? Because if you look at the 1-minute chart, right? So the price start to trading. The price is trying to trading above this level. Okay, so later on, after 2 minutes, if this 5-minute candlestick can the closing price can close below close above this, above this resistance level. So then after that, then only I will enter a buy, okay? But seems like the price is still, still testing this resistance. Okay, so guys, be patient. If the price cannot trade, you know, trade, if the price cannot trade above this this resistance level, then the price will probably goes down, okay? And the price might goes to this level, okay? So same here, same for the gold, okay? So another 20 seconds left, okay? All right, guys, the price is dumping just now. The price dropping just now. So the price, you see, right? So the candlestick, the 5 minute, this 5 minute candlestick cannot, cannot close the price above this area. Okay, so price will probably to goes down and then retest this support level. Okay, then we should wait for the price to retest this support level, and then we wait for the reaction. Okay, we wait for the price reaction at here. Okay, so yeah, okay, there's also same for the gold. Okay, the price seems like the price is testing want to testing this support level. Okay, so yeah. And if you look at the price action, right? If you look at the price structure, so you will see that. So here is a downtrend structure in 1 minute chart. Okay, there's a 1 minute chart in. There's a downtrend structure in 1 minute chart. Okay, so the gold price is still ranging. Okay, so I all right. Okay, so the price is breaking this support level. All right, so let's look at the reaction. All right, okay, so if you look at the silver price, the price is breaking this support level. Okay, the price is breaking this support level. Then I think I won't participate in, I won't buy gold and or even silver. Okay, because the price movement, the price action at the moment, price is dropping. Okay, the price is dropping. So yeah, all right. So the price is dropping. So let's look at the reaction later. Okay, I think I will wait for another 5 minutes. Sorry, it's another 3 minutes. It's around 3 minutes. Okay, because I want to see that whether the price can can close below, whether this candlestick can close below this support level or not. Okay, so if the candlestick can close below this support level, so means that I will consider it as a breakout. Okay, I will consider it as a breakout, and then only that I I take a sell order here. Okay, so let's look at the reaction, guys. So I will wait for the confirmation in 5 minute chart. Okay, 5 minute chart. Okay, so you see, so there's a possible false breakout. Okay, so so this is very important, that why we should wait for a confirmation or waiting for a breakout. Okay, All right, guys, 1 minute left. Okay, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Get ready. Okay, get ready. All right. Okay. So if you look at the 5 minute chart, so you will see that the price or the candlestick has closed below this support level. Okay. If you look at the silver, okay, so there's a dump here. Okay. So all right. So I will consider it as a breakout. Okay, but I won't, I won't just entry here. Okay, I won't just entry here. So what I will do is I would like to wait for the price. I will wait. I would like to wait for the price to retrace. Okay, I would like I will I would like to wait for the price to retrace to this level and then I only sell. Okay, because we are waiting for the confirmation. Okay, so since that the price movement or the price reaction has been confirmed, then we can we can look for the entry. Okay, so for me, where's the best entry? Okay, I think the best entry is here. Okay, for silver. Okay, this is for silver, and then for the gold, right? So the price has already break out this support, and for me, right, so I will wait for the price to retest this here. Okay, all right, I would like to wait for the price to retest this level. Or I just I just directly I just place the trade. Okay, I can just place a limit order. So for the silver is all right. Price almost hit the target. Okay, I place first trade, and then for the gold, okay. All right, guys, I placed two orders. Okay, one is for gold and one is for silver. Okay, so let's see whether the price can hit my order or not. So wish that the price can trigger my order and then the price goes down. Okay, all right. Oh guys, wait for me. I would like to key in the message for my members. Okay. All right. All right. Seems like the price. Seems my goal has been my order for the goal it has been triggered. Okay. So yeah, what I will do is the goal sell now. Okay. All right. So all right, that's good. Price. uh, So my order for gold has been triggered, and then the price just now the price dropped directly, very quick. And the silver price still ranging. Okay, still ranging. I hope that the price can go higher and then trigger my order and then the price go down. Okay, but it's okay. At least we got one trade already. Okay, at least we got one trade already. So let's go. Okay. Alright guys, I set my stop loss here. So I set my stop loss here. So my first target will be here. Okay, it's around here. Alright, don't worry, the price ranging. I unfortunately the price didn't trigger my orders. Okay, unfortunately, it's bad. It's too bad, guys. The opportunity has gone. But it's okay. At least the gold price At least the gold price trigger my orders. All right, so let's see. Okay, let's see how is it going. All right, the gold price moved slower than the silver price. Okay, you see, guys, the price now the silver price one, is trying to break the significant low. It's trying to break the significant low that it created just now. Okay, nice move, silver. It's too bad we cannot catch we cannot catch this order, okay, but at least we safe, okay, at least we are safe, okay, because what, because you enter here, you need to you need to wait for the price to rebound and then retrace again, okay. It's very suffer, okay, if you enter here. All right, seems like the price start to dump, okay, the gold price start to dump, okay. All right, that's a nice profit, a quick 200 profit is nice. So all right, so if the price can can break out this significant low here, then I will reduce the risk and I will move my stop loss level to here, okay, so I can reduce the risk, okay. So before that, so I'm waiting for the price to break out this significant low, okay. All right, so wait for another 2 minutes, okay, wait for another 2 minutes, but it's okay. How much? Okay, let me see how much is the... Oh, okay. Right, guys, what I will do is I will move my stop loss to here so I can reduce the risk, okay. All right, okay, nice. The price is trying to break this significant low. All right. Guys, can you hear me? All right, okay, so the price... all right, so now we become stable here. All right, the price is rebounding, but it's okay. Okay, as long as the price didn't, didn't goes to my entry price, then it's okay. All right. Okay. Nice. So the price still running nicely. Oh, it's running profit is hammer and magnet time. Guys, let me present to you the magnet strategy or the hammer strategy. All right, the magnet strategy is done. All right, let's go. The price running nicely. Nice. Nice one, nice one. It's too bad. It's too bad we cannot catch. It's too bad the price didn't touch this resistance level, but it's okay. Alright. Seems like the price still running nicely then. Alright, so come on, magnet. Come on. Guys having a snack, okay? A bit hungry already. Seems like the magnet is working today. Alright, so the price is dropping. Nice, okay. Alright guys. Okay, you see, right? So the price hit my first target, okay, first TP level. And then so what I will do is I will set a BE here. Okay, I will set a BE. Okay, so if the price suddenly, suddenly goes up, okay, something like this, okay, then I won't lose the trade, okay. So yeah, now it's zero. Now is now my now my trade is risk-free trade, okay, risk-free trade, okay. So and right, so I'm trying to let the price to come to the first TP level, okay, first TP level, okay, because just now right, Grace has already sent out the signals, okay. So the first target area is the 5170, okay. So and the price almost hit the target, okay, hit my first target is around around, I think it's around 10 to 20 pips only. Yeah, like yeah, it's around. Okay, all right, okay, nice. Okay, so guys, the price hit the first target. Okay, all right, nice guys. First first target hit, guys. Nice one. Okay, the price already hit my first target. Okay, so for me now, I'm aiming in my update here. Easy profit, guys. Easy, okay? And the price is dropping even more, okay? The price dropping even more. Then my second target is what? Okay. Okay, step by step, okay? We step by step, one by one, okay? So I'm aiming the price come to this level, okay? All right, so all right, seems like the price or seems like the magnet strategy today is working, okay? Okay, slow by slow, one by one, step by step, okay? Aiming the price to come to this 5165, okay? And the price is dropping even more, and then the price almost touched my second target, okay? And I believe that the silver price is dropping also. Yeah, correct, guys. Okay, if you enter here and then you should get a you know get a good result here. Okay, nice one. Okay, nice one. Okay, nice. The price dropping, guys. Nice, 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 nice. All right, so the price almost hit the second target. Okay, it is so close. It is so close, but never mind. Okay, be patient. Okay, be patient. Okay, give some time and let the profit run. Okay, so guys, what you can do is remember to secure a profit, and you can make a make a partial take profit. Okay, remember to secure a profit. Okay, don't be greedy, remember to secure a profit. You can either set a safety pin, and you do the partial take profit. Okay. So for me, right, I will I will make the I will do the I will set a I will set a safety pin. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of winners today. Okay. Nice, good result. Nice, nice, nice. Good profit. Nice guy. Congratulations. Congratulations. Make a nice profit. Nice one. And guys, the price dropping even more. Okay. Price dropping even more. Okay. Yeah, I will make them bigger. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. It is so close. The price almost touched the second target. Okay. If the price can touch the okay, all right, okay, nice. The price just penetrate the the 5165. Okay, all right. So the price hit the second target. Okay, what I will do is I'm trying let the price to comes to this level. Okay, 5160. Okay, 5160. This is a second target for the signal. Okay, this is second target for the signals. 5160. All right, the price is moving fast, guys. The price is moving fast, and then the price is almost hit the 5160, the second TP target. Okay, the second TP. Okay, is only 24 pips left. Okay, all right, nice. The price hit the second target. Nice, congratulations, guys. Guys, congratulations. Okay, congratulations. Second target hit. Okay, second target hit. So guys, you are earning around 200 pips running profit, okay? 200 pips profit today, okay? Congratulations, guys. It's over 200 pips today, okay? Nice one. Congratulations. Congratulations, okay? 200, 200 pips profit for gold, okay? And then if you enter silver, right? It's around 120, okay? 130, okay? The profit is running nicely. Nice one, guys. And the second target has already hit. Okay, so what I will do is I'm trying to aim the next target, okay? 15155, okay? Okay, all right. So how many left? How many pips left? So let me calculate. Okay, it's around 50 pips, okay? Around 50 pips, okay? It's around 50 pips. All right, all right. 25 pips left. It's around 10 pips left, okay? Guys, will the price hit the next target, okay? If you think that the price will hit the target, then you type yes in the chat box, okay? Type yes in the chat box, guys. Nice one, nice one. Guys, the profit is running nicely, so I have already made around 1,300 profit, okay? Come on, man. It's still got 10 pips, around 10 pips left. 10 pips left. Come on. All right, guys, remember to secure a profit. Okay, remember to secure a profit, and or you can make a you can make a partial take profit. Okay, I've already adjusted my safety pin. Okay, so I secure more profit. Okay. All right. Okay. So it's okay. The price hit my safety pin, but it's okay. At least we hit. At least the the price running nicely, and then full target hit today. Okay, nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, somebody says my signal is very precise. Okay, it's very precise. Did did my signal is very precise? If it is precise, then you type yes. nice entry point. This is a normal. It is very normal in our VIP group. Okay. So guys, this is how I trade and and me and my VIP members. This is the way what we trade. Okay, this is the way we trade, how we trade. Okay, so guys, if you want to join our VIP group, then remember to contact Grace, contact contact my admin. Okay, then she will help you. Okay, she will help you to join in the the VIP group. Okay, so yeah, so guys, be faster. Okay, be fast. Okay, because the slot is limited. Okay, and we are also doing the promotion now. So if you if you make the deposit, if you make the deposit at this moment, then you can get a 50% credit bonus. Okay, this is a this is very good. Okay, very user friendly for the for those who for those have a smaller capital. Okay, it is an extra gift. Our community, this is an extra gift that he can give you. Okay, besides the signals, beside the credit bonus, we're also providing the automation trading. Okay, if you also want to access to this automation trading and the indicators in the VIP group, then guys, remember to contact Grace and you will get everything you want in the VIP group. Okay, so be faster guys, be faster. Okay, because the slot is limited. The slot is limited. Like the profit. Yeah, you are welcome, you are welcome. It's just a normal thing. Okay, it's a small cases. Okay, small case. It's very wrong. It's very normal in our in my VIP group. Okay. All right. Seems like the price start to start to rebound, and then but I think it's just a retracement. Okay. I think it's just a small retracement. Okay. As long as the price didn't break out this resistance level. Okay. As long as the price didn't break out to this resistance level, so I think that the price still have the opportunity to go down. Okay, in 1 minute chart. Okay, but remember guys, don't forget to focus. Don't forget to focus on the 5 minute chart and the 15 minute chart. Okay, because what if you look at the 15 minute chart, right? So the price structure is still in the uptrend. Okay, and then we mentioned that if the price didn't break out this significant low or the support level, the price still have the opportunity to go up. Okay, because in the midterm and the long term, okay, the price is still going up. The price is still going up. Okay, so be careful. Okay, be careful. Okay, so for me, right, I will highly focus on this level. I will highly focus to this level. Okay, it's around, it's how much? 15183. Okay, it's around this level. Okay, and for the silver, all right, it also same here, same also for the silver. Oops. All right, I think that the silver is, there's a different situation on silver. Okay, because what if you look at this price action in, oops, sorry, if you look at a 5 minute price action, right? So actually the price has already break this uh support level. Okay, so it creates a it it shows a it shows a change of character. Okay, the uptrend structure, okay, becomes the downtrend structure because what? Because the price has already break this uptrend structure. Okay, the in a simple words, the price create a lower low. Okay, the price create a lower low. But it is still tricky that the price still still didn't break out this support level. But if you look at the price movement if you look at the price movement at the moment, the price still have an opportunity, still have the price still possible to go down, okay, for the situation, for the current situation, okay, for price movement at the moment, okay, the price still have the opportunity to go down, okay, but you have to be careful at US session, okay, you have to be careful about the price movement at the US session, okay, but don't worry guys, because our another mentor, so Prem will do the live session at US session, okay, so the live session will be start at 8 o'clock, okay, the live session will be start at 8 o'clock, okay, so stay tuned for the US session live stream, okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Instagram and follow our TikTok account, and then guys, remember to join in our VIP group, okay? If you want to access to our VIP services, okay? All right, so seems like the price still dropping, okay? Okay, I think that's all for today. So before I ending the live stream, right? Before I end the live stream, right? So is there any question to ask? Okay, before I end the live stream. All right, so the USD JPY is pumping, okay, and the price is almost the price is trying to retest this resistance level, okay. So guys, you can take a look here, and for GBP, JPY, so the price rebound, okay. So if But if like this, right? If like this, then I think the price will start to. I think the price will break out and then continue to rise. Okay. So guys, take a look. Okay. So you guys can have a look about USD JPY and the GBP JPY. Okay. I think it's a good chance. Okay, it's a good opportunity if the price can break out. Okay, if the price can break out. Okay, so gold price is rebounding and the silver price is also rebounding, and then the price start to drop again. Okay, all right. So all right. So if there is no question, then I will end up this live session. Okay. So thanks everybody for coming to this live session, and then thanks for supporting us. Okay, so guys, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram account and follow our TikTok account. And last but not least, if you want to access to our VIP group and services, so don't forget to contact Grace, our admin. Okay, all right. So guys, remember we still have one more live session. Okay, at 8 o'clock. Okay, so the live stream will be conducted by Prem. Okay, another our mentor, our another experienced mentor. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. So stay tuned for the live stream later. Okay, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so bye bye.